Hi, I'm Mike Hine, and this is a Kubota SSV 75. It's a part of the SSV Series. There's also an SSV 65. The 65 is a 65 horse, and the 75 is a 75 horse. The SSV 75 that we're looking at here today, it is a vertical lift machine. It has a 128-inch hinge pin height, equipped with a full pressurized cab, and air conditioning is standard on all Kubotas with a cab. The SSV 75 has a 2-speed and it is capable of 11.8 miles per hour. The SSV 75 has a 74-inch bucket with a bolt-on cutting edge and side cutters. It is equipped with a hydraulic quick coupler. You can get a manual coupler as well. The SSV Series skid loader comes with a roll-up door that gets up and out of the way. 2 locks to lock the door out so it doesn't come down when you're in motion. It's also lockable with a key. It's the same key that starts the ignition. Kubota's done a really nice job with the entry points of the machine. There's 2 steps here and a grip here for your boots when you're getting in. Some other features you'll see in the front is a case drain on the auxiliary hydraulic ports. This one has a guard around the auxiliaries. It also comes standard with these 2 front cylinder guards. This SSV is equipped with pilot controls. There's also a dial for your throttle. You have a secondary foot pedal for throttle as well. The SSV Series comes with a suspension seat and a lap bar. The SSV has a very roomy cab. First thing you notice is there's plenty of room to turn around, reach your air conditioning controls. Open the door, close the door, no problem. The multifunction controls. On the left pillar, you have your hydraulic coupler and your washer control. On the right, you have your auxiliaries, your parking brake, your lights. On the dash, you have the ignition, stop, run, start, as well as the throttle, fuel, temperature gauge, hour meter, and a air filter restriction light. Down by my feet, I have a clean out for mud and debris, as well as a throttle pedal. So if you needed a burst, a momentary throttle, you could hit that and dig into a pile or whatever. We've also got a 12-volt power outlet for charging your cell phone or anything else that takes a cigarette lighter style outlet. Visibility is great. You can look behind yourself and see your tires. You can see the front edge of the bucket. The SSV Series comes in 2 different engine configurations, a 65 horse and a 75 horse. Open up the rear gate here. The first thing you notice is that the fuel tank is in the door. It adds extra counterbalance. You do not need to open the rear door to fuel the machine. You can access your fuel cap right here. This is lockable. There's also a screen up top here where you can access your coolers and your radiators. We'll open up the rear door here. The battery is easy to access. The positive post on the battery is facing outward. All your filters are right here, easy to get to. Fuel filter, fuel water separator, engine fill, dipstick, as well as an oil drain, air cleaner, easy to access.